สวัสดีค่ะทุกคน Welcome back to Banana Thai Language School with krusmuk or Teacher Smuk, your Thai teacher. And now you're with me in the Read and Write Thai tutorial. And now you're with me in the Read and Write Thai tutorial series. In this episode, I would like to teach you 3 words that are pronounced the same but written differently and have different meanings. In English, I believe it's called homophone. So let's take a look at this word. Rot, and rot. All the same pronunciation. So as you can see, the first word, rot, high tone. All of them actually. Why is it high tone? Because รอเรือ is a low class consonant. LC come from low class consonant. Come with this one. These words don't have the tone mark. So you have to look at it and think whether it is live or dead syllable. But as you can see, it is dead syllable. Because why? Firstly, it is because it has a stop sound with the ending consonant close or stop sound, like ดอเด็กตอเต่า and บอใบไม้. For example, if you want to pronounce this word, you say รถ There's no sound coming out of your mouth anymore. It's not like a sonorant ending consonant like ron. See? So rot, it stopped. So that's why it's dead syllable. Dead syllable is the syllable with the sound that is stopped. It cannot be continued because you close your mouth or you close your, throat. Rot. Your mouth is open but you close your throat. Rot. So low class consonant and dead has high. Low class consonant dead with short vowel. I forgot a short vowel. Short vowel have high. But low class consonant dead syllable with long vowel sound. This one has falling tone. Okay? But as these rot is a short vowel sound, it is high tone. Now with the high tone. Rot. You already know how to read these words. But these 3 words are different. The first word, ค่ะ rot with ดอเด็ก ending consonant means to pour. Pour water on something. For example, รดน้ำต้นไม้ รดน้ำต้นไม้ means to water plants. รดน้ำ pour the water ต้นไม้ means plants or tree. รดน้ำต้นไม้ means the action of you water the plants. ฉันรดน้ำต้นไม้ทุกวัน I water the plants every day. รดน้ำต้นไม้ with ดอเด็ก. The second รถค่ะ with ถอถุง. This one is car or vehicle. For example, รถไฟฟ้า means electric car or including the trains that are electric like BTS MRT in Bangkok. The subway and the sky train, we also call them รถไฟฟ้า รถไฟฟ้า รถไฟ just ไฟ without ฟ้า is a train. Okay, so รถ with ถอถุง is car or vehicle. And the last one, รถ with สอเสือ ending means taste. The taste as a noun, taste. It comes from the word รสชาติ รสชาติ ชาติ not ชาติ This one สระอิ sound obsolete, so you pronounce it รสชาติ means taste or to taste. Could be a verb as well. For example, ผัดไทย ผัดไทย รส or รสชาติ หวาน. What does it mean คะ ผัดไทย รสชาติหวาน it means the pad thai tastes sweet see รสชาติ with สอเสือ ending so these are the homophone words รส and รส written differently according to the ending consonant you might ask me how do I know because in Thai language there's so many consonants well the main one with the sound of this dodic is the main one alright these are the secondary ending consonant so most of the words are spelled or written with dodic rather than other but I cannot guarantee you that it's always dodic you always have to learn the word in order to learn how to read and write it and you just have to remember so that's it for today rot your homework is to name the word that pronounce the same but written and have different meaning. Please comment below the example of homophones that you know. See you in the next lesson. Bye bye ค่ะ Don't forget to check out my ultimate guide to Thai reading course at www.panathathaischool.com. There you can learn Thai with me very easy, simple and fun.